Whether you're out for a paddle or on your next fishing adventure, Pelican's Poseidon collection has a paddle to fit your needs. All of our Poseidon paddles come with a two-piece push-button aluminum shaft, a lightweight, durable material that is ideal for trips lasting a few hours and for paddles that will be handled by novices. Fiberglass reinforced polypropylene blades create a stiffer, stronger blade, which maximizes each paddle stroke. You can offset the blades by 65 degrees to maximize your paddling effort, but this should only be done once you are used to paddling. Our new grip ring design will help to ensure less water trickles into your kayak. Make sure they are set 4 to 6 inches from the blade for maximum efficiency. Our 90.5 inches paddles, available in multiple colors, are designed for people between 5 feet and 6 feet tall in kayaks between 28 and 32 inches wide. Our 94.5 inches paddle is designed for people between 5 feet and 6 feet tall in kayaks between 29 and 34 inches wide. And finally, our specially designed angler paddles are made extra long to accommodate most fishing kayaks and include a measuring tape along the shaft and a retrieval hook integrated into the blade. This really comes in handy if your line gets caught in some brush.
This is the Stingray series of kayak paddles from AQUA. The Stingray series is our best-selling and most popular family of paddles. This family is available in 4 different models with multiple different ferrule systems, shaft sizes, and breakdown ability, so we have a model for anyone from beginners to kayaking enthusiasts. The Stingray series features a mid-sized blade coming in at 87 square inches. The dihedral down the face reduces flutter, making each stroke more efficient. Length ranges in 10 centimeter increments from 210 to 240, with the carbon and hybrid models also available in 250. Every shaft is ovalized on the grip for comfort and so you know the blade's angle relative to the water. The top of the line is the Stingray Carbon. Weighing in at only 28.75 ounces, this is the lightest kayak paddle available under $200. It features our lightest and most durable blades made of carbon-reinforced nylon. The 100% carbon composite shaft is lightweight yet durable as it reduces fatigue and joint strain. The Stingray Carbon features the Posi-Lock ferrule, which clicks into position firmly and securely, and features a strong corrosion-free composite construction which doesn't allow grit to get caught inside. The Carbon model is available in both 2-piece and 4-piece options, Posi-Lock or traditional snap button ferrule, and small shaft diameters.
In a rush to hit the water and just want a paddle to get you started? Our standard paddles with 2-piece aluminum shaft and push-button system make it easy to transport and store. The polypropylene blades can be feathered with a 0 or 65-degree blade angle that provides a more efficient paddling experience. Plus, you'll keep your hands dry thanks to our drip rings. Our standard kayak paddle will get you on the water, paddling without putting a big dent in your wallet. This collection is ideal for recreational paddlers between 4 feet 8 inches and 5 feet 11 inches, and for kayaks between 23 and 28 inches wide.
Introducing the Wilderness Systems Pungo paddles. Featuring an efficient and forgiving mid-size composite blade, the Pungo paddle was specifically designed to provide an enhanced paddling experience with Wilderness Systems Pungo kayaks. The Pungo paddle's shape, size, and optimized blade curvature work together with Wilderness Systems Pungo kayaks to deliver the optimal angle of entry and stroke depth for smooth, efficient, and flutter-free strokes, regardless of paddling style or experience level. The Pungo is available in 2 configurations: the lightweight Pungo Carbon featuring a carbon fiber blade and 100% unidirectional carbon shaft, the less expensive Pungo Glass featuring a durable fiberglass blade and 50% carbon, 50% fiberglass shaft. All Pungo paddles include the rock-solid lever-lock adjustable ferrule system, featuring infinite feathering options and up to 20 centimeters of fine-tuned length adjustment. With the simple flip of the low-profile lever, the Pungo paddle can be adjusted to fit virtually any paddler, model of kayak, or stroke style. The Achieve sustainable power without flutter or fatigue with the Wilderness Systems Pungo paddle, the go-to solution for any excursion in the Pungo kayak. Introducing the Wilderness Systems Origin paddles. Featuring a strong and durable high-angle blade design, the Origin is a capable performer with any recreational or touring kayak, and has plenty of purchase to propel even the heaviest sit-on top. All Origin paddles include the rock-solid lever-lock adjustable ferrule system, offering infinite feathering options and up to 20 centimeters of fine-tuned length adjustment. With a simple flip of the low-profile lever, the Origin paddle can be adjusted to fit virtually any paddler, type of kayak, or stroke style. The Origin is available in two configurations, both featuring a fiberglass reinforced nylon blade, a carbon blend shaft, and 0 to 20 centimeters of length adjustment. The 220 centimeter Origin touring paddle, weighing only 35 ounces, the 240 centimeter Origin angler paddle, weighing just 37 ounces, features a measuring tape graphic, an integrated line hook, and more than enough length adjustment to accommodate fishing kayaks with high-low adjustable seating systems. The Origin was designed to deliver enhanced stroke efficiency and boat control for everyone from aspiring paddlers, seasoned veterans, and kayak anglers alike.
Living in the Northwest is awesome. I've got several bodies of water within a couple of miles to paddle on. What's not awesome? Paying an arm and a leg for a quality paddle. I took advantage of a gorgeous Northwest afternoon to get out on the water and try out the paddle. The carbon fiber shaft and dorsal blade design really create a lightweight, efficiently designed, solid kayak paddle that's affordable. My strength went into the strokes, not holding up the actual paddle. The included oversized seawall drip rings kept my hands dry and prevented water from ruining my grip and freezing my hands. Having the ability to adjust paddle length and angle is so key. I could literally personalize my paddle while on the go. The blade's ingenious design didn't stop at the integrated louvers. A molded catch point made it easy to snag a dock for a quick pit stop. Busy lakes can get hectic, especially if you're battling motorboats for paddling space. Having the high visibility green blades is a real confidence booster and gives you that added peace of mind. Seattle Sports really did the impossible, combining affordability with outstanding quality.